Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is all about Gestalt Insight Learning Theory. Gestalt theory, Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Kohler, and Kurt Kafka, refers to a community of practice that investigate the role of human mind in relation to perception and interpretation. So, ibig sabihin, ang utak ng tao is nakadepende. So, iniimbestigan yung mga role ng human mind natin in relation pagdating sa perception or how we perceive things, tapos kung paano rin ini-interpret ng mga tao ang mga bagay-bagay. Meaningful patterns laws used by brain to group or organize elements of a scene. So, yun na nga yung mga law of proximity, law of similarity. Ito yung mga ginagamit ng brain natin on how we organize the elements of a scene. Dito sa Gestalt is naniniwala sila or they believe that learners are not passive receiver. So, ibig sabihin nga if halimbawa estudyante tayo, hindi lang tayo basta-basta nakikinig sa teacher or susundin kung anong sinabi nila, but the student here are the receiver. The receiver din tayo. Tayo mismo, for example, tayo isang student, tayo mismo is hindi lang nag-a-accept ng information, but nag-iisip din tayo kung ano ang pwede nating magiging idea sa sinabi ng teacher. So, we have here the Gestalt laws of learning. Law of similarity. When objects look similar to one another, the eye perceive them as a group or pattern. So, yun na nga. If halimbawa po yung mata natin is nakakakita ng magkakapare-parehang objects, is na-identify natin siya as a group. Law of proximity. When objects are placed together, the eye perceives them as a group. So, yun na nga po is kapag may nakita tayong bagay na magkakasama is na-identify natin siya as a group. Law of continuity. The eye is compelled to move from one object through another. So, ang example po dito is yung mga bata is, halimbawa nagtitrace po sila. Ang tawag po nun is law of continuation. So, alam nila kung ano ang sunod na gagawin kasi may ititrace na po sila. Law of closure. When an object is incomplete or not completely enclosed. So, for example po itong nasa picture. So, hindi po siya complete, pero yung mata natin is nakikitang complete. Law of figure or ground. So, ang meaning po dito is parang nagpipay tayo ng attention for that. Halimbawa sa picture po is nakikita natin sa malayo is tree, and pag nasa malapitan naman is two animals na andun. Insight learning theory refers to the sudden realization of a solution to a problem, sometimes termed as eureka or aha moment. Eureka or aha moment po is, example is, yung hirap ka na mag-isip kung ano yung isasagot mo sa problem, kung ano ba yung solution, tas bigla mo na lang maiisip, yun lang pala yung sagot. That is eureka or aha moment, sudden realization of a solution. I also have here Kohler's experiment. Kohler experimented with Sultan the chimp, who was caged with food strategically placed outside the cage. Some boxes and sticks were placed in the cage. Through some manipulation of this object with got Sultan nowhere, he seemed to suddenly figure out the stick could be joined to get food. He used insight to solve the problem. Yun lang po. Thank you.